Hello friends, if you are facing an error which is your device is not compatible with this version, and when you download PayPal mobile app, so what is the solution of this error? So let's get started. Friends, the error your device is not compatible with this device usually means your phone or tablet does not meet the requirement set by the app developer. Okay, and if your device is simply too old to receive the necessary OS updates, unfortunately you may not be able to download that specific app. So you need to replace your device with the latest features. Okay, but there are some method you can try this method. So first method is go to your device setting and look for system or software updates. Check for and uninstall any updates available. Okay, and this is often the quickest fix. Okay, and the second method is go to the app listing page on the store and look for the developer contact information. Ask them for the exact minimum requirement for the app. They may be able to explain the specific reason for your device is blocked. But if this method did not work, so you need to replace your device. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. Thank you.